Is this thing on? 2 testing. I've got to do a vlog apparently.
Dad?
Yes. Stuart, he's going to say something.
We've got a bag down here.
Yeah.
Which is for you.
Right. I don't want
It's heavy.
Yes.
In there is everything you need. And for the next 24 hours, you're now vlogging.
When does it start?
Now.
What do have I got? Can you put the kettle on?
Kettle's on.
And have you got my cup?
Yeah.
Is there instructions in here?
No, there's no instructions. You've got to figure out how to use all of it. Now, we have agreed that we'll help you a little bit with, like, equipment and stuff.
Can't I just have one of the bro code things?
It's in there. It's all in there. It's all in there.
Whatever that is.
You got a drone.
GoPro.
Yep. You got a GoPro, a drone, and a Canon, and all spare batteries. Everything's charged up. There's nothing on the memory cards. It's all ready to go.
Can't I just have a GoPro?
It's all in there. You got.
Why can't I just use that instead of the drone machine thing?
Do whatever you want.
I don't know why I've been given the task. I think it's quite spiteful, to be honest with you. Wasn't built for this bit. I'm built for doing the stuff that you're not allowed to see. But obviously, this is where all the work happens because they just muck about playing with films, and I'm the one that does all the work. Today is finishing off exhaust and making brackets day for the TT600. I've also got a snag list to do on Midnight the Bobber, and a couple of Harleys in for service. So it's real work, none of this mucking about. Drinking tea malarkey. And they have to hide in the posh department. In there. Not doing a whole lot. I bet Sam's eating. I'm vlogging.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
I've just been explaining where all the work gets done.
Oh yeah. Next door.
Yeah. I said if we go in here, I bet Sam's eating, but you've just finished eating, have you?
Yeah. I heard you coming, so I
Heard
to be doing something. So you haven't attempted to use the Canon yet?
No, I'm not using that. Not using that big camera. I can't even pick it up. Wrong department. I wasn't in this to make films.
Well, this is the whole point. This is why we're making you do it.
All right. Okay. I slammed my finger in the door the other day because they kept moaning that the new door keeps the wind keeps blowing it, and when they're tigging on the TIG bench, it's blowing the gas out the TIG, so because of the draft. So I decided that I would try and adjust these door closers. If you can have a look at the blood on there, and then my finger, which matches the blood spatter. Well, so I've got to do a vlog about what I do during the day and the stuff I'm on. Sam, this thing, it beeped and then it went off.
So the old man has another 4 more hours left of his 24-hour vlog video. We've seen him in the workshop walking around with the GoPro.
That's Gadget.
Oh, hello. All right.
That's Bear. The boys are giving me this to do a vlog of my day because they're doing 30 vlogs in 30 days.
So we got a text from Dad this morning saying he was gonna meet up at the 6-volt calf in Letchworth.
So we might just secretly turn up and just start filming on all the bigger cameras to get some cool footage for his vlog video.
How much goes on during the day?
There's loads going on at the moment.
Yeah, yeah.
They're working in the other side while we're thinking about it on this side.
Oh yeah, kettle's gone on. Bye. Apparently my boiler's broken, so it's going to be cold when I get home. Happy days. Joys of living in the sticks. I don't even know if this is recorded. I might just be talking to myself. End of the day, everyone's gone home, as per. I'm Billy No Mate's left here on my own again. And Al's just pulled up. And I've got to show you what he's wearing. Al! Get out of the car! Woo! Check this out, check this out. Stand still, stand still.
¿Qué pasa, fool?
Are
¿Cómo
you,
estás?
are you 3?
Well, only weekends and
Who dressed you?
my son. He's only 5.
He's 5. That's what I have to put up with. Anyway, lucky he works next door. I haven't got to stare at his silly little socks and his silly little shoes and his silly little shorts. It's -20. He still wears silly little shorts. I've got the radio on. I'm not allowed to do a vlog with the radio on, he says, because apparently it's copyright or something. I don't know anything about that. Wrong department. I live in the butthole of nowhere, which is nice. Till your boiler packs up. Morning. What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Just going to go and get some milk. Without what?
Where's your motorcycle?
That's at home. I walk everywhere now. It charged this thing. The boys gave me the camera, the whole big camera bag with everything, and said, "You've got to do a vlog." I don't know how, so I just grabbed this little one. We're vlogging now. It's Jim.
There's a stock Harley Davidson in there. What's that about?
I don't know. Won't be for long, will it?
Cut it.
Stock Harley.
What's that about?
I'm vlogging. This is all the equipment that they've given me. But what's the battery life on this